Viewer interaction is something newer streamers often have difficulties with. How do you get your viewers to interact with you when you don't have a steady audience yet? Today I'm going to show you a service that will help you a great deal with that. Hi, I'm Jova and welcome to the next episode of Streamer Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how you could use StreamLoots to receive more engagement out of your viewers. This service is completely free for you to use and has some features so your viewers can also enjoy it for free. So what is StreamLoots? If you're familiar with trading card games like Magic the Gathering, Yu-Gi-Oh!, Pokemon, well, StreamLoots basically gives your viewers the ability to play cards on your stream, which has a special effect. It can be a visual effect, a sound effect, maybe something you as the streamer has to do on stream. The best thing about it, you can customize it all to your liking. So how do we set up StreamLoots? You can simply register or log in on StreamLoots just via your Twitch account. You're literally done in a few seconds and ready to start filling your collection. Make a new collection, look through existing collections and simply select the games you stream and import the cards you like. You can also import the entire collection. If you want to learn about making cards, make sure to leave a comment so I can work on a video about this. When you go to My Collection, you can view all the cards you currently have in your collection. From here, you can edit, clone, delete, or add more cards. When you want to edit your card, simply click on the three dots above the card and click Edit Cards. Here you can edit the rarity, name, description, cooldown, card timer, and so much more. Play around with it and see what works for you. You can also adjust the pricing, probability, and the craft prices of your card. Let's quickly talk about crafting. Viewers can destroy their cards to receive diamonds as a currency. They can spend this currency to craft cards you've enabled as crafting. So make sure to enable this on cards you want your viewers to be able to craft. Easy, right? What's next? Next is one of my favorite options of StreamLoots, gifting packs and coupons. If you're a new streamer looking for interaction with your viewers, waiting until your viewers buy packs isn't going to get you far. Luckily, StreamLoots understands this and gives you an option to give your viewers packs for free. To gift packs, simply click Gift Packs, select the collection, add the number of packs and cards and send them your viewers' way. StreamLoots suggests putting 1 or 2 cards in these packs, but I recommend 3. This way your viewers have more cards to play. Second, we have coupons. And these are an easy way for your viewers to claim packs. I like to use a command during my stream, for instance, !free pack, for my viewers to claim their coupon. Every week, I renew the coupon that I pair with that command, so my viewers know exactly what to do to claim their pack of the week. You can even make a new coupon for every stream if you like. And you can also share this link with your viewers on Discord or other social media. StreamLoots also supports subscriptions, auctions, and a marathon timer. But I've yet to try these as the card section of this service is more than worth your time. Let's go to the final step, configuring StreamLoots in OBS or Slops. Click Configuration and Alerts and Widgets. In order for StreamLoots to work, you need the alert widgets in your OBS. Click Alert Widgets, copy the hidden link, add it as a browser source in your streaming software. Second, I'd advise you to get the card timer widget too, as it's a visual aid to show you and your viewers how long certain card effects last. Do you want to get some inspiration? Feel free to check my variety collection on StreamLoots. You can see how wild some cards can be. I have some ideas for improvements or some effects I like to see added to StreamLoots. I'm a big fan of this service and I think some of the features will be really great. So if you're a developer, please hit me up. That's all I have for you. If you didn't see my last video about clips, make sure to click the video here and I will see you in the next one.